isn't working, but I think I heard something. Going to check it out. Thought I saw something. Movement.
Blake, I'm gonna look for another way in. Move up and search for the president.
Blake, I need a sit rep. Blake? Hostiles must have a scrambler. Listen, if we lose our signal, get the president...
Yeah, Paige is going to X.
Son of a bitch! I think there's someone nearby. Stay alert. Hostile spotted. Give me some cover! Open fire! Shit! Under fire! Engaging enemy! Damn! Return fire!
The United States is an animal. A sick, greedy animal. Like any other beast, it is wrought from flesh and blood, and can be killed. At first, I decided to control resources and weapons, increasing the price of columbite and tantalum. I inflicted a little pain on your mammon-worshipping economy, but that wasn't enough. I am here to unleash hell on Earth, and I won't stop until the West has been repaid in full for the misery inflicted on the developing nations. Gut shot. Like that kills you slow. Burke, feel free to make another speech about your glorious country. Meanwhile, I'll be deploying a WMD like no other.
Blake, do you read me? Blake? It's tight. We've accessed another channel. We have a location on the president. Make your way to the hangar. Hurry.
Watch out! Take him out! Copy that, going hot! Take him out! Copy that, going hot! Threat sighted! Threat sighted! We're taking heavy fire! Enemy in sight! Open fire! Up there! On the balcony! He's on the balcony! Kill him! We have a shooter! Take him out! I'm taking fire! I need support! Can't breathe! I'm hit! Help me!
Thanks. We need to get the hell out of here. Probably more guards on the way. I can walk.
Look out! Take cover now!
Blood. We need to hurry.
Shoot them!
We need to hurry. I need a doctor. Lost a lot of blood.
Over there! Take them down!
Let's move. I'm bleeding out. That was Page making his escape. We can't let him get away. He said nothing about weapons. He mentioned H5N1. Weaponize that virus. There's no telling how much damage it can do. Busy. Keep moving.
Blake, the evac zone is at the far end of the airstrip. Get the president to extraction. Keep him safe.
Son of a bitch! Shit! Engaging enemy! Down! Cover me! Got it! Moving up! Sir, you hear me? We've got you, Mr. President.
Antarctica.
Down! Move it! Let's go!
Antarctica. WMD. H5N1.
Knight, are you hearing this?
Copy. Intel is on it. We're also tracking Page's jet.
That's the last thing I expected to hear. Antarctica.